In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create another Facebook profile with the same email. So first head over and launch your Facebook app and log in using your email address and password. Then click on the login button. So once you're logged into your account, head over to your menu page. Just click on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the drop down button or down button beside your profile name. Click on it. Then here you should see the Create Facebook Profile button. Click on it. You will then be asked what type of profile are you trying to create, if it's personal or professional. So click on any of the two, then proceed by clicking on next. Add in a profile picture for your newly created profile and of course add in a name for this profile. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Then lastly is click on create profile. And just by that, a new profile has been created with the same account and same email address. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!